Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining again today. We've got another toy review for you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am pretty excited about today's review. Lately on this channel, I've been doing a lot of Hasbro's Indiana Jones Adventure Series reviews, and today is no exception. We're going to be doing another one. I have finally gotten my hands on Major Arnold Toht and Ceremonial Renee Belloq from the end of Raiders of the Lost Ark. Without further ado, let's get down to the unboxing. Let's start with Major Toht. Nice. Alright, so we've got two more pieces of the Ark. What looks to be a Walther P38 pistol, his fedora, Toht's fedora, and the burned hand with the amulet scar. This is amazing. Alright, let's take a look at Major Toht up close, and of course the glasses also come off. I don't think the glasses actually do come off, however, they do lift above his head. They do lift above his eye. That's kind of cool, but they don't actually come off. So let's take a look at that sculpt up close. That is a really good sculpt and likeness, actually, for a figure this size. I like it. Sweet. Alright, let's stick his hat on him. There we go. Alright, and of course, he can take his cloak off, which is, or well, trench coat, I guess, which is fantastic. And you can either have him holding the Walther, like so, with the gun hand, which is an obvious gun hand meant to hold the pistol, like so, or I'm kind of hoping I can still put it in his left hand and he will be able to hold it like a pistol, kind of. Yeah, he's kind of not really holding it because the trigger finger here is not separated. But that's fine. We don't actually need him to be holding the Walther P38. I think it's cool that it came with it, but I'm going to stow it in the box because that's not how I'm going to display him. I am going to display him with the... Oh my goodness. With the burned hand. It would be cool if he came with like a little amulet too. Ah! I was like, hang on, there's definitely supposed to be something more included with this. And of course, what is it that we missed that was at the bottom of the box and had fallen out? Why, it's Major Toht's melting head, of course. Ah! Oh man, I kind of want to display him like that. Like, give me a sec here. That's so good, dude. Yes, yes. This is how I'm displaying him. Melting. Alright, so we're stowing the other head, the other hand, and the P38. Let's stick him to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and open up Ceremonial Renee Belloq, who unfortunately does not come with a melting or exploding head. That would be cool, but yeah, he doesn't come with that. He comes with a like a ceremonial staff. Oh my goodness. So he comes with the staff and multiple more pieces to the Ark of the Covenant. Not much to this character. He's got his little ceremonial pendant with gems here. Let's get a look at the face. Once again, excellent face sculpt for the likeness of Paul Freeman, the actor who played Belloq. Awesome. So this one's pretty easy. Not much to it. There's no extras that come with this one except for the staff, which we're trying to desperately to put in Belloq's hand now. Oh, I took his hand off. The hands come off very easily on these characters. Not that that's a bad thing, it's just something to note. Alright, stand up straight. Wow, his hand is very loose. That's something that I kind of am a little disappointed by. This is so heavy that when you stand him up, it wants to lean forward. You can't, like, it's not... Like, getting him to hold this up straight looks kind of funky at the angle that you have to have his arm to have it held up straight. But again, I'm not like, you know, not being too critical. I think the figures are absolutely awesome together. Boom. Let's take a look at them. Nice little melting gentleman and about to explode gentleman. And yeah. Let's, real quick though, before I stick them on the turntable, let's get a nice up-close look at the hand with the amulet scar. That's awesome. Super cool. All right, let's get a look at these gentlemen on the turntable, shall we? The Hasbro Indiana Jones Adventure Series Major Arnold Tote and Ceremonial Renee Belloq are both available on Hasbro Pulse for $24.99 each. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and throw a link to this product down in the description of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know I am doing a good job by giving it a thumbs up and commenting. And if you wish to support me further as a creator, please subscribe and tap that bell to all notifications so that you never miss any future content from my channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.